Hi everyone, it's Jay, and this is an installation video for CMS PONZI script. This one right here. So this is the installation video for the CMS PONZI script. So for those of you that has purchased the script or hasn't purchased the script, or you're gonna purchase the script, so here's an installation video for you, so you'll be able to do the installation on your own without without really needing to call me. You understand? So you'll be able to go through, you'll be able to install the video, you'll be able to install the script on your own. So the first thing you want to do is go to your file manager, right? You need to go to file manager and the demo URL is ubless.com. So first thing you want to do is go to your file manager and make sure your script is uploaded first, right? It's gonna be zip.zip, right? You upload your script to your file manager. If you're not using something like this, just follow the idea. Try to look for your file manager on your cPanel, then open it, then you upload your script. So the first thing you want to do is upload your script. So and I don't want to waste time. I've already uploaded my own script here. So this is how you do it. Click on upload and select the file you want. It's just that easy. But for those of you that are using an cPanel or your file manager is totally different from this, just follow the idea. Try to look for this kind of icon, upload icon or something like that. Upload the script. It's gonna be CMS PONZI script, just like this .zip, right? So after you upload it, you need to extract, right? Extract. For those of you that are not using the same cPanel as this one, just look for extract it. Make sure you extract it. So after the old extraction, the next thing is going to happen is you're going to have to move your file to the root folder. After extracting it, you're going to have a folder, and then you're going to have your script. Now you're going to open the folder, and you're gonna open the folder and you move, or you select all the scripts, right? I'm just gonna select all this. Try to select everything at once. Then you right click and try to move the script to the root folder, which is the public underscore HTML. The public underscore HTML. So if your file manager is not like this, just know that all you gotta do is select all the script and move it to the root folder. And after move it to the root folder, you're gonna have something like this. Well, the front page is gonna load properly because it's an HTML page and it's using a server side. HTML is in a server side language, so it's gonna load well. The only way you can know that your script isn't up and running is by clicking on the login page, the login button, which is PHP. So PHP is a server side language, so it's gonna tell you it's not connected, cannot connect. That means you have not installed the script. So let's get started with the installation. First thing you do is upload the script, extract it, move it to the root folder, and the next thing here is upload your you create a database, right? Create a database. Now I know all script doesn't, all file manager doesn't look like this, so don't expect to have something like this. All cPanel doesn't look like this, so don't expect to have something like this. I'm using Hostinger, and things are a little bit different sometimes. You understand what I'm saying? So do not expect everything to look the same way. So here's how you're gonna do it. So here's how you're gonna do it. We're gonna type in the database name, which is gonna be text2, and the database user is gonna be text2. You can put it anything you want, or you can put it some other name. Well, just make sure you know what you're putting down. So then you type in your password. I'm just gonna use demo here because it's a demo site, right? So then click on create. Now, like I said the other time, all cPanel doesn't look like this. A little bit, some others are somehow tougher than this. But well, I'm using Hostinger, so just know that you have to create a username and database username and database username and database name, and then you add your password. And the next thing is going to be importing the script. So you're going to click on your phpMyAdmin. If you're not using the same kind of cPanel, try to look for your phpMyAdmin and locate the name of the database you created right here, which is -2. Locate it on your phpMyAdmin. Alright, so I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna click on import. Now I'm gonna select the database, which is database.sql, right? Database.sql, that's the database file. Then click on go. So let's just wait for a few minutes or a few seconds, and that's done. Now we've successfully uploaded the database file. We successfully uploaded database. Next thing we're going to do is copy the database name, infos, right? We're going to copy the database info. Here we have the database name, the database username, the local host, the host, the SQL host, and in the password you use while creating it right here. So we're going to copy this database name here and add over to include folder, right? Go to include folder, and on the include you see connect.php. That is where the code to database file is. Now what we copy, the info we copy here is database name. Then we'll look for database name, which is this is the database name. Then we replace them with this, right? Make sure there's no spaces, make sure there's no spaces. That's actually one of the mistakes some people make, you understand? So make sure there's no spaces. And then the next thing is they're literally the same thing though. Then the next thing is you paste the database username, make sure there's no spaces, right? Then the password we use is demo. Then our local MySQL host for the cPanel for this hosting is localhost. Well, some hosting uses something different, you understand? Like Hostinger, they uses MySQL, the hostinger.co.uk sometimes, and localhost works as well, do you understand? So then you're gonna click on save. So with that being done, you click on you refresh the page. I'm not sure I saved that up. Test 2 and demo. Okay, all right. I must have made a mistake while importing the demo the password or something. So I have to change the password back. So with that being done, so like I said, I made a mistake while inputting so make sure you do not make any mistake while inputting your password on. If you do, you can just head over to your SQL to rename the password to what you put down here. So just make sure the password is correct, because if it's not correct, even if you made a single word, it's not gonna work out, just like you see what happened right here. So that's basically how it works. And well, the first step is done, the first part of it is done. You've successfully installed the first part of the site, which is the user side. Now the script has two call to database file. There's one for the user side and there's another one for the administrator. So let's head over to administrator, and you see what's going to happen. It's going to show you that it cannot connect because it has its own database file. It has to be connected as well. So once we're done with that side, we have to go to public.html and we head over to administrator side, the administrator folder. Okay, so my network is alright, so that's up. So we'll go to the administrator folder, and under the administrator folder we'll go to include, and we click on connect.php. It's just the same. We'll follow the same instruction. Input your database file, your database information. Password is demo, and make sure there's no spaces. Make sure there are no spaces at all. Make sure there are no spaces. Do not add any space at all, or it's not gonna work out. You understand? If you add in space, it's not gonna work out. So click on save, and let's go back to the admin side, and there you have it. It's working perfectly now. So the username for the admin side is admin, and the password is admin as well. The default is admin as well. And make sure the captcha actually case sensitive. Make sure you input them correctly and click on login, and you can see it all working fine. So that's basically how you install CMS PONZI script. That's basically how you install the CMS PONZI script. So if you have interest in purchasing the script, you can just head over to zy7.me. You can just head over to zy7.me or contact me with the link in the contact me with the infos in the description. The script is just $100, right? The script is $100, and that's gonna be the price. So there's some few screenshots of how the script works, and you have the description, and we have the features right here. These are the features of the script. So if you're interested in purchasing the script, you can just head over to zy7.me and you can click on purchase. So after clicking on purchasing, you click on checkout, right? And then this page is going to come out where you are going to input your details, right? So you're going to input your email. That's the email which you want to receive the script with. Let's just say zy7.me hello@zy7.me, and the username is going to be J. I'm gonna make the username J, and the password is gonna be G because that's basically my nick. So I'm gonna click on purchase, and the next thing after this, the next thing after this is to send your payment out. Well, current payment method is Bitcoin, and well, I want to explain something. That's not we're using Bitcoin now because we don't want to be trackable or all that stuff. Actually, that's the simplest method to receive payment in my country, because PayPal doesn't really work here. You understand? If I'm accepting PayPal, it's just gonna be a waste because I'm not gonna be able to use it. So that's why I'm accepting Bitcoin for now. So I'm still working on other payments that's gonna be easier for me, but you guys just have to bear with me for now. So you can pay with PayPal after sending the money to this address, or maybe you can scan, or you can just copy this address from right here. After saying immediately you send the payment to this address, now it's gonna verify it like immediately, and the download will start. You'll be able to download it. You'll be able to download the script immediately. And the download link will be available for you for a long time. So for the server stuff, the download link will be available for you. You understand? So that's basically how you purchase the script, and that's basically how you install it. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you want more script, any kind of script, or you want to write a PHP, or you want to write a script from the scratch, what kind of script, whatever kind of script you want, just make sure to contact me and we can talk about it. Thanks you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.